Common mistakes made by traders. Another important principle in life is to learn from other people's mistakes. Never wait to learn from your own mistakes. Those that have gone this path ahead of you will tell you these are what people have done which didn't yield positive results, and hence you should modify your own actions. So I would be highlighting some of these mistakes so as we all should be wary of it. The first is not having a trading plan, which I have already talked about the importance of having a trading plan. The next is paper trading for too long. Paper trading is same as demo trading, even though it's good to demo trade, but don't dwell in the fantasy world for too long. Get into the real market and trade and analyze with your emotions on the line. That makes you stronger. Dwelling in the fantasy world will make you feel relaxed and you won't learn because you would always say to yourself, it's paper money. The next is not using a stop loss. Always remember to put it in all your trades. Technology has made it there to protect your account. No matter how good you might have analyzed the market, you may not know when a major news release would affect the forex market and it can change the direction of the market. That is why it's always good to look at the economic calendar before the beginning of every week. By setting your stop loss no matter the news, whether it's against your direction, you will be protected. The next is opening so many trades. You will see someone open GBP USD, open Euro USD, USD JPY, open USD CHF, AUD USD, Euro JPY, New Zealand USD. Only one person. Tell me, how can you monitor all these trades? It all boils down to greed, because you want to grab every single pip in the market. It's better to open multiple positions on one trade, that is on one currency pair, and monitor it judiciously than to open multiple currency pairs and distract your attention. We call it riding the trend. The last is anticipating how the news will affect the market. Remember, we talked about fundamental analysis. We mentioned that fundamental analysis is trading the market using the news. Now, MT4 shows you important news releases in its news section. You can also use the websites I told you, Forex Factory and DailyFX, investing.com, myfxbook.com. On this site, you will see important releases for the week. Before important news events like non-farm payroll is released, forex analysts used to release what we call forecast, and these forecasts tend to come in the form of figures. When many forex analysts has the same value, that value arrived upon by majority of forex analysts is called consensus. Now this consensus is published in various news platforms before the main news is released. Now this is just a forecast, it's not the real value. So many traders will now go ahead and start making trading decisions with those forecasts because they want to get in early and make a huge profit. So these are the common mistakes made by traders, and it's always important to note them down and try as much as possible to avoid them during your forex journey.